How to create drop caps in Microsoft Publisher. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Publisher. Then click on your text box on your pages. Then you'll find text box at the top. Click on it, and in here you'll find drop caps. Click on it. You'll find different options of drop caps. Select the one you prefer, and it will automatically convert to drop cap. As you can see, if you want to customize, you can simply click on drop caps at the top. Then in here at the bottom, click on customize drop cap. Then you'll find these options. Select dropped up or lines, how many lines, size of letters, number of letters, font style, color. After you're done, press on apply. After that, press on OK, and it will be applied directly. This is how to create drop caps in Microsoft Publisher. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.